Hello and welcome to Capstone Project Invitational. Capstone Project Invitational is a special gathering of the entire Neumont student body, faculty and staff, as well as alumni and industry experts, to be presented with absolutely outstanding examples of student capstone projects. Every student must complete a capstone project, which is a product of their own creation, their own idea, their own design, and it stretches all of their abilities beyond what they've already learned. The projects that stand out the most in each program are selected for Capstone Project Invitational, where we gather together along with alumni and industry experts to observe these presentations one more time, and awards are given to those projects that stand out the most.